Hi, this is Kevin. Today we're gonna make a clock for our new school. I made some designs using Cricut Design Space already, but I chose to show Alice in Wonderland the clock, which I like the most. We're gonna use Cricut Maker 3 and use Felt 2. First, I chose this theme Alice in Wonderland and I thought about what kind of images that I want for this clock, and I researched it in Google. And I typed Alice in Wonderland silhouette, and there are some silhouettes showed up, and I chose some and they saved it and they put it in Cricut Design Space. I already bought some clock hands, and this is the size of it, 10 centimeters diagonally. So I put it in there and I thought about the sizes. To show the story, I chose teapot, white rabbit, and a cat. And of course, I chose the queen too. And there are some card images, space, and the clubs. And also, this is a clock. Without any numbers, it's going to be very difficult to tell time. So I decided to put numbers like 12, 6, 3, and 9. So let's start making this clock using Cricut Maker 3 and Felt. So usually we use this light grip mat the most because we use paper the most. And then today we're going to use this pretty pink one, fabric grip. Now it's all ready. So I organized the characters there so that they don't have any kind of together points. So I spread them away little by little. You can see this is the size of the mat, and you have to cut the felt according to the size of this mat. So I need 30 centimeters width and 22 centimeters long. So let's cut the felt out of this size. So I already checked the size of this felt. So I need 12 inches wide and 9 inches long size. So I'm gonna cut it now, using this. Put the felt on the mat. Okay, so now I put the felt on the mat, and using this braid, I will make it attach it to the mat thoroughly. Okay, let's put it in the Cricut. Click continue. It's gonna check first. So now I'm gonna peel it. Let's see how it works out. Paper looks nice. Okay, there's some a fudgy area. You can cut that area. It's clean. Does it look like a rabbit? I can. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so all the cutting part is done. And what do you think? Doesn't it look nice? Yeah, I like this, but it's better to choose simple images because we had to do it again with this white rabbit and the cat, since I chose very complicated images. So Cricut kind of couldn't cut it very well in the beginning. And also, you need to know what kind of a material you need to choose on it. I chose the felt thing first and then kind of didn't cut it very well, so we had to change the detailed part. So if you know that, it's easier the next step. Yeah, when you do it and you try next time. And now what we need to do is to put it up on the wall with the mechanical part of the clock. Then it will look great. Last time when I made this, I made it by hand and it was so hard. It took forever, but with the Cricut, I could do it very easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you to make your own clock. And I hope we can see you again on a new project. Bye-bye.